Hey y'all, thank you for clicking on this video. I have had a crazy couple weeks, so I'm sorry for not posting a video last week, but hoping to get back into the routine of things and posting a video for my hauls. On Wednesday I had done a pretty big haul, but I wasn't able to film it because by the time we got home it was close to dinner, and then it was crazy yesterday, so I wasn't able to record it either. So I was just working on completing my May flowers as well as my Weekend Warrior, since I had a $5 off, $5 on 18, and I needed 19 for the May flowers. So I just combined the two of them to do it together, and it's mostly ibotta. So I apologize for that, but there are some really good deals, and the Monopoly has been extended. Thanks to Miss Empty Nester for sharing that, and then also my sister told me that it was extended till the 8th. So definitely get your freebies, and I think I still have about 24 water bottles still, so I might pick those up because we are going camping, and we might go more camping this summer. So it'd just be nice to have those in the car handy and all. So I hope you have a great day and enjoy this little haul video. Okay, so I went to the store. I had gone on Wednesday because I thought the Monopoly was expiring on Thursday. But so this is just a mostly ibotta haul with some things that were on sale for Friday. So these were, the 2 shrimps were on sale. So I picked those up, and then the steak is on sale for limit 2 packages. We had picked up one on Wednesday, but I just want to pick up the second one and just freeze these. This is a shop cake deal, bundle deal, so I did that. And I had a specialized price for this. I think it was $4.75. Here's an ibotta rebate that I did. I wanted to pick it up because it's a new product and I wanted my boys to try it. I'm missing one of these bars, but I did get 2 of those. It's buy one, get one free for ibotta, and then the same with these, buy one, get one free. And then I found this and wanted to try it out as well since I like Cliff Bars. The Triscuits were on sale, and More eggs. I had a 50-cent Monopoly for it, so it actually didn't come off, but they credited me at the customer service, so I got that back. Mommy, these are parts. They are really heavy.
Daddy, I got more this eggs.
I picked up this because these are 2 separate ibotta rebates. I couldn't find the other flavors because I was really wanting to try some of the other ones as well, but they are on sale for $2.99 each with the Fab 5. I found this at the cash register, so I wanted to pick that up for Michael. And these are 2 separate deals, and we've been making a lot of sandwiches, and we still have 1 French bread left, so we'll probably make another sandwich with that. So I picked up these 2 for 2 different rebates. Mine for the weekend was $5 for 18 offers, but I needed 19 for the $10 May flowers one. Oh, she's dancing? Oh, cool. These were limit 2, and I had $1 peely. So yeah, these are for you. And this is part of the Fab 5.
Mommy, this younger brother.
Yeah, those are for you and brothers. These were 3 for 99 cents, and we always need them for rice or whatever. I picked up this. The A1 was part of the Fab 5, and I picked up the blood orange because for Memorial Day, I want the boys to have something fancy because we'll probably have a cocktail or something. And I picked this up for Michael.
There you go.
And if you haven't tried these are super good. I had $1 off digital coupon, so I picked that up, and then I bought a rebate as well. There was an ibotta rebate on this, and I've been eyeing this flavor. It was on sale for $2.99, so I thought that would be fun to try. My sister actually shopped with me today, and she said this flavor is really good, and I have some kombucha every once in a while, but I haven't tried it in a while. So this one's Bubbly Rose. The packaging's really pretty. You okay?
Okay.
Okay. If you haven't tried the store salsa, it's really good. So I picked that up. It's $5, and we'll probably be enjoying that this weekend. I read the rebate on this wrong because you need to pick up 5, and they're actually 10 for $10. I picked up 1, but I need to pick up 5 for the rebate, so don't make the mistake I did. I did the pretzels because actually the pretzels taste better than the regular sticks. And then this is the family size one. They're $8.99, and there's an ibotta rebate on them, and I really like it, and I thought it'd be fun to have for dinner one of these nights. I grew up with Sandy's shortbread pecans, so I wanted to do this. I also had a Monopoly for it for 50 cents, so I wanted to pick that up. And there's a rebate on ibotta. And then these are always so expensive at Albertsons, but they were on sale for $3.99, and I had a $1 digital coupon and then a $1 rebate with ibotta, so I thought that would be a good price, just because it's nice to have this brand. Like, I like it, but it's just always so expensive. It's usually like $5.99 regular price, and that's too much for me. So this is our haul for today, and I hope that you're able to snag these deals. Also on Wednesday, if you have this, I already did the deal, but it's an ibotta rebate as well. The Nature's Crafted bread. If you get 2 of them, they're on sale for 2 for $5 this week. And then there's a digital coupon for $2 off. And then there's ibotta rebates for 75 cents each on them. So in store, you'll pay $3 for 2, so $1.50 each. And then you'll get the $1.50 back on ibotta when you buy 2. So unless your rebate value is different, because sometimes they vary, but then it's like buy one, get one free. So it's a really good deal. And it's like, I thought it was gonna be like really small bread, a small package, but it's actually a lot bigger than I was expecting. And the boys had sandwiches with them, and they really liked the bread. So here are the granolas. They're $1.99 each, and these are the value packs, so they're really big. There's a store e-coupon attaching to both of them. It's limit 2. And then I picked up the tomato sauce, which was 3 for 99 cents. The treetop, which is $3.99. The Keebler Sandies were $1.99. The ocean spray was $2.49 because I had a 50-cent Monopoly. That pesto was $1.99. The Triscuits were $1.49, and I had a personalized price, I guess, with that, but the 50-cent Monopoly didn't come off, so that's what I got a refund for. The Best Food spreads, I had 2 of them, $2.99 each. The A1 was $3.99. That was part of the Fab 5. The Pete's Coffee was $2.99, and then the deposit fee of 5 cents. And then the drink for the boys is $1.29 with a 10-cent deposit. And then I guess I had a personalized price for that. That was $1 off, so that's cool. And then Michael's Rockstar was 49 cents. And then 5-cent deposit with that Monopoly, 50 cent taking that off. And then Nutella was $1.89. The Dannon was $3.99. And then the single was $1. The Yoplait, I guess, rang up for $0 with that personalized yogurt coupon, which is cool. And the Kodiak cakes were $2.99 after my digital coupon came off. Then the steaks, I just noticed that they didn't ring up for the 6.77 cents a pound. So I'm gonna call them and probably bring in my receipt so I can get refunded. I think it's about $13. The Hormel, the ham and the turkey were both $4.99. The shrimp were $10 each because they're 2 pounds. And the salsa, $5, and then my personalized price, so it was $4.75. Those core bars, the 2 fudge, the 2 peanut butter ones. The kombucha was $3.99, 5-cent deposit. And then the suja was $2 with 5-cent deposit, and then that digital coupon did come off for that. The deli was $8.99, and then my my paper coupon was $1 off of the granola bars. So one was essentially 99 cents, but that was for the big one. So my total was $160.90. But then my receipt, this printed out, so I'm not sure if something triggered it or what, but I got $2 off and it expires on the 11th of June. So I have plenty of time to use it. So I should be getting about $21.45 from these rebates. So I'm super excited, and then I'll probably hit my bonus as well. So I hope you have a great weekend. Enjoy Memorial Day with your family and friends, and stay blessed, y'all.